we've landed in the lobby, the grand lobby of the Grand Cal, and look, there is Oogie Boogie in a cake. He's a giant cake.
Cauldron, a boogie in a cauldron.
Yeah.
And he's not complete yet. He's
not even.
Done until the official, like.
Till next week.
Yeah, until next Friday.
Yeah, we got a whole nother week. Cause they'll fill in this whole foreground area with all this stuff.
You can, lots of stuff.
Yeah, you can see that there's still some there's a wire hanging out of his hat, and
oh yeah, we got a ways to go.
And the eyeballs for the snake have not been put on yet. But look, he's coming apart at the seams too. Look at that, just like Oogie Boogie does. And you can smell it. If you had smell-o-vision, you guys could smell the frosting. It literally, and we're like, 5 or 6 feet away from this thing, and you can literally smell the frosting, because this is a giant cake.
Well, you want to know the best part about it? Is that right over there, they're selling a bunch of Halloween treats.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Charlie went and got a box of the cookies.
Okay.
And we're going to grab something so that we can share it.
All right.
I don't know what yet, though.
Special Grand Cal Halloween treats have arrived.
And anybody can come into the Grand Cal. You don't have to park in the parking structure, and you don't have to have theme park admission to come in here to the Grand to see this or to get these treats. So let's go check them out. Here's the list of all the options of treats you can get. I want everything. One of everything, if that's okay. I really want this caramel apple pound cake, so we might come back and try that eventually.
All right.
But I think what we're gonna get, oh, and you can still do the cookie shots. You can do it with chocolate milk, cotton candy milk.
That's new for this year, yeah.
I'll take one of those, please. That sounds amazing. We really need to get one of these Whoopies to try, but which one? This one kind of looks like me.
I like that one a lot.
And then there's this one.
They look like they're all unique.
That is a caramel apple pound cake right there.
Yeah, it is.
That
Wow.
looks incredible.
It's crazy.
I could just eat that every day, all day.
Oh my gosh.
Non-stop. My goodness.
Thank you.
Here's the cookies you can get. We got a few of these during Christmas last year, the Christmas ones.
Yeah, those are pretty good though.
This is, do you know who this is? This is your test of Disney knowledge.
That's the chick from Little Mermaid.
Oh wow, the Sea Witch Ursula.
Yeah.
Good job, Spence. You deserve a cookie.
Maybe a shot.
Maybe a
Exactly.
shot, a cookie shot.
Exactly.
That's what you get. And then of course the Rice Krispie treat. You can also get these inside the park.
They do
Yeah.
have gummy worms.
What?
Oh, did the
They're
other ones have gummy
special?
worms in them? Oh, I don't
They're
know.
Oogie Boogie.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, wait, did the other ones in the park have gummy worms? Gummy bugs?
I don't know. Haven't noticed.
The mystery
Yeah, I feel like these are unique.
Oh my gosh, I'm so
love
happy
it.
right now. Oh my god, oh my god. This is cotton candy milk.
Just doing the pour.
There's the shot glass.
Ah.
Dang it, I want to do it.
I love the
Oh
color
my
of that.
gosh.
Cotton candy milk. That's great.
And then there's our gummy worm. Oh, snap.
Now it is complete.
Oh
For our Oogie Boogie thing.
I love these fingers. Look at those. They're so cool.
This is our first time trying cotton candy milk. Have you ever had cotton candy milk?
No, I'm not sure what it is. But
It's probably gonna be really sweet, and
I
I'm
would
actually
imagine.
super excited
Yeah.
about it. And it's Oogie Boogie color.
it is, with the Oogie Boogie worm sticking out of there.
Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh, that's so good. You know how much I love cotton candy?
Does it taste like cereal milk?
Literally, so good. Yeah, it kind of does. It's like legit cotton candy, liquid cotton candy.
Oogie Boogie's back there celebrating behind you going, yeah!
Do you want a sip?
No, I'm okay.
Alright, eat this now.
Eating the cookie now, and oh, edible shot glass.
That was good. This is gonna be saved for later. You know how much I love my gummies? This is so good.
And you can get those with alcohol in them as well.
Regular milk, chocolate milk, cotton candy milk, and then
Grand Marnier was
Yeah.
one of them.
a couple others.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Alright, on to the Whoopie Pie.
Reveal, reveal. Dun dun dun. And all these, each of the faces are unique. They said that you'll never get the same one twice.
Really?
So this is our
I love
friendly
him,
neighborhood
though.
scary Mickey. You've never seen Mickey so scary in your life.
Like, look how cute he is. And I love all the sprinkles and the tie-dye of the Whoopie.
Yeah, it's tie-dye Whoopie.
And this is gonna be super vanilla. I already know it. So
Yeah.
I'm kind of just like, yay, this will be...
My ear. Ah! That's what he's doing. Ah!
The sprinkles are really pretty. All right, vanilla Whoopie Pie, here we go. Good. You'll love it.
What you expected?
Yeah, vanilla. Here you go, Spence.
Oh, I see what you did there because it's an ear.
Yeah. What do you think, mate? You like it?
Tastes like Whoopie Pie, like legit.
Like vanilla.
Yeah.
See, he likes it because you're so vanilla. Vanilla Alicia.
Pretty good. You can split that with like 6 people.
Oh yeah, it's cute.
So this is the box that you can get.
The Boxo cookies. It's a delightful little box. This is a delightful little box of happy little cookies. I sound like Bob Ross of Disney cookies,
Yeah.
don't I?
Yeah.
Instead of happy little trees.
I like the fingers.
The
The
fingers.
green fingers, yeah.
Oh, I broke one.
Oh. Well, they're rigor mortis. It's, you know, it's
It happens.
rotting corpse. What do you expect?
Don't you dare.
Put
Oh,
your
wait.
finger. Put your finger in my face.
You're at Disneyland though, so it's
Two fingers? Oh boy.
It's just a little nubby.
Hey, which way is the front door to the hotel?
Right that way.
Okay, thanks.
Right that way. Where's Charlie? Right that way.
He's over there. Yeah.
Charlie?
Right here.
All right. This really is kind of creepy looking. Seriously? Charlie. Eat that. Charlie bit me. Charlie bit me.
Oh, he just ate a
Charlie
finger.
bit my finger.
He didn't clean his fingernails.
It's actually an almond for the finger. It's just an almond. I think these are all shortbread cookies, by the way.
Tastes that way.
It tastes like shortbread?
Yeah.
It doesn't taste like a zombie finger that's been rotting for...
No,
No?
it doesn't.
Okay.
No, you're not
That's a good
tasting
thing.
that.
That's
Okay.
a plus.
I think these are just the cutest.
Yeah, that was a good idea.
Also a shortbread.
Yeah.
But like, if this doesn't get you into the Halloween spirit,
Yeah.
what will? I think I'm gonna have an
I
ear.
just noticed she's rearranging the rocks here on the sculpture. Getting ready for the next phase. Maybe they'll start working on it again for today. Curious to see what they do to the bottom. There's probably a lot that's going to go on in the foreground, I would imagine.
I think this is supposed to be like a white witch's hat, maybe, because, whoo!
Oh yeah.
What if there's something in this?
One way
Or
to
is it?
find out.
Okay, let's break it open. There is. What is it? Peanut butter, maybe? Cookie butter? I can't tell what that is.
Can't put my finger on it.
Look,
But you might as well. Then you can see what it tastes like.
what is that? Dolce de
I
leche?
don't know, mixing them backwards.
I think it's Dolce de leche. Excuse me? Is it Dolce de leche in here? Did I say that right? It's Dolce? Dulce de leche. Okay. We have confirmed inside of this cookie that it is Dulce de leche. And I probably said that terribly wrong, so I apologize. But it is delicious, and it is really good. I think that is the best cookie because it's super soft, shortbread on the outside, and just like Flavor Town in the middle. I'm pretty sure it's Dolce de leche. So good.
Okay.
I think that's the best of all the cookies here, for sure.
Got more moisture.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's so good. That is good. That hit the spot.
Yeah.
All right. Cookie box very well received.
We received its sympathetic vibration,
Yeah, we did.
and we have eaten it all, almost. Well, that wraps it up. Who says Flavor Town? Guy Fieri or something? He does?
Yep.
It is Guy Fieri. There you go.